Hey guys, I'm here the lure of the Angler Ashfaq, and yeah, he's ordering something. White tiger. There's also redhead, 30 grams. There is 15 grams and 10 grams white tiger. So he's here and waiting for me downstairs. I'm gonna deliver it. I hope you like this one, and we'll see what is his review about this lure. I think this is the first time using this, and let us see. Yeah, it's here. It's here, bro. Hello. All good. Hi. Here's your lure, bro.
Okay, can you give me?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Yeah, thank you.
Send it to me, bro. I will send it to you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Next time again. Bye bye.